Trillions of dollars are already being spent online. Global e-commerce sales are expected to hit 6.8 trillion in 2026, and AI is about to decide who captures it next. This is part 1 of a two-part breakdown of the top online business categories shaping 2026. In video 1, I showed you how to use your 9 to 5 and AI is leverage. In video 2, I showed you how YouTube becomes the marketing engine. Before choosing what to build, you need to understand the different online businesses that exist to choose the best one suited for you. In part 1, we're covering the more advanced models, categories 8 through 5. Category number 8, hybrid business models. This model combines multiple income streams into one ecosystem. Business idea number 1, content and digital products plus services. This model builds authority through content, monetizes with products, and adds services on top. Okay, so an example would be personal brands with content, products, or consulting. The startup is generally around $50 to $200. The effort here is high, but the revenue potential is 10K to 250K per year. The startup time is about 60 to 90 days to get it going. And the best backgrounds for this is usually going to be tech savvy creative professionals. This business is definitely AI scalable. Business idea number 2, education and community plus affiliate. Education is the core, community drives retention, and affiliate tools add upside. Okay, so an example here would be skill-based education and paid community plus tools. The startup cost would be generally around $30 to $100. The effort level on this one would be about medium, with a revenue potential of anywhere from 5K to 50K per month. The startup time would be about 45 days, and the best backgrounds for something like this would be like teachers and coaches. And this one is definitely AI scalable. Category number 7, community-based businesses. These businesses monetize access instead of content. Business idea number 1, a paid membership community. People pay for proximity, support, and shared goals. An example would be career, business, or AI community. The startup cost ranges from $20 to $100. The effort here is medium with a revenue potential of 2K to 40K per month. The startup time is anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. And the best backgrounds for this is going to be like facilitators, admin, um, executive directors, CEOs, even office managers or customer support managers as well. Business idea number 2, mastermind groups. Smaller, higher ticket groups built around peer accountability. An example here would be executive or entrepreneur mastermind. The startup cost is generally around $0 to $50. The effort here is high, but the revenue potential is 10K to 100K per month. The startup time is about 30 to 60 days to get all of your material in order. The best backgrounds for this is definitely going to be operators, executive directors, CEOs, if you owned your own business before. And this business is definitely AI scalable. Category number 6, affiliate and performance marketing. Here you're able to earn commissions by recommending products. Business idea number 1, a niche review channel. You create reviews that help buyers make decisions. An example here would be AI tools or software reviews. The startup cost is generally $0 to $50. The effort here is medium. The revenue potential is 1K to 15K per month. The time to get started is pretty immediate. Best backgrounds for this is going to be analytical thinkers, great speakers, creative people, and this one is definitely AI scalable. Business idea number 2, comparison blogs or pages. These rank and compare tools for high intent buyers. An example would be best tools for small businesses. The startup is about $20 to $80. The effort is medium. The revenue potential is 2K to 25K per month. The time that gets started is about 30 days, and the best background is going to be writers, analysts, creatives, and this one is definitely AI scalable. Category number 5, freelance to agency. Here, you pretty much start solo, then systemize and scale. Business idea number 1, marketing or sales agency. You sell results for clients on a recurring basis. An example here would be lead generating or appointment setting. The startup cost is around $100 to $300. The effort here is high, but the revenue potential is 5K to 100K per month. The startup time is about 30 to 60 days. And the best backgrounds for this, I would say, is probably going to be sales, marketing, again, executive director, possibly as well if you've been in customer service and you are willing to learn some additional skills as well. And for sure, this one is definitely AI scalable. Business idea number 2, niche operations agency. You handle back office systems for clients. And an example here would be ops support for coaches or founders. The startup cost here is $50 to $150. The effort is about medium. The revenue potential is 3K to 30K per month. The time it gets started is 2 to 4 weeks. And the backgrounds that best fit this is going to be operations role, again, office managers, things like that. This one is definitely AI scalable as well. Okay, so these are powerful models, but not always the easiest place to start. In part 2, I've broken down the four most beginner friendly online business categories. I'll see you there.